Hey guys, and welcome back to another video about CPA marketing. So in this video we will see that how to promote CPA offers on Pinterest and make up to $50 per day. So let's start our video. So first you have to create a Pinterest account just like this one. I've made this account around 2 days ago, and let me show you that how many views we get per month. So currently it's 27 monthly views and I'm making some pins and posting regularly. So now what the strategy is on promoting CP offers using Pinterest. So what we have is we have Canva that will help us to create responsive Pinterest design. So now what we will do is we will pick a few templates from Canva like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna edit these kind of pictures and write in make money from paid surveys, make money from email submits, so whatever, make money for reading emails. Now this is super simple if you post regularly on Pinterest. Let me show you a few accounts. Now people are already making a decent amount of money from paid surveys. So now they have the account just like my account and they are making thousands of dollars per day. So let me show you. Now this account has this pin and let me show you the account. So alright, so this account gets around 1.9 million monthly views. This is super amazing, and they are posting regularly on how to make money and different things you can post about it. So for example, here is another pin that shows you that 10 extreme minimalist money tips. So just like this, we will make a super growing Pinterest account, and then we're gonna go ahead and promote our affiliate offers. So what I will do is I'm gonna go to my affiliate network, which is maxbounty.com, and I will show you that what kind of offers or what kind of verticals we can promote using Pinterest. So recently made $7.20. Now I want to show you that how to pick the converting offers. So we're gonna go ahead and trending. Now we're gonna go ahead and pick a survey offer. So this is the offer that I would like to promote, as it has allowed US traffic, Canada traffic, and Australia. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this offer and click on build tracking link. After that I will click on social. Right after that I'm gonna go ahead and click on raw link. After that I am going to build a landing page for this offer and start promoting on Pinterest. So you can see that this offer has around $3.75 per lead, single opt-in offer with a complete first survey. So whenever a sign up is being made on your landing page, you will get $3.75 per day. So imagine if you get around 25,000 visits per month and you have like 20 or 30 people converting on your vertical. So you will make a decent amount of money, or it could be even $50 per day. So right after that I'm gonna go ahead and make a Pinterest design for this survey offer, and I'm gonna go ahead and download this for an example. So we have downloaded this, and what we will do is we will create a new pin. We are focusing on organic traffic that is going to be helpful for our affiliate network. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this pin for an example. So I'm gonna type in the title, earn up to $50 per day with surveys. Alright, so you could even use ChatGPT to generate descriptions. The title, I see the title has not been written properly, so you can use the ChatGPT and you can use whatever the tool you like for description and title, and you can add your landing page URL just like this, just like here. This is the place where you enter in your landing page URL and choose the board. Your board is going to be make money online, and you can click on show similar post unchecked and go ahead and publish. So it's super simple. Once you've made a decent following on your Pinterest account, you can start making money with affiliate marketing. So this is the free strategy that you can follow and start making decent money from online paid surveys by promoting them online, and you will get maximum clicks to your outbound links, and you will also see that how many impressions and how many pin clicks you got. So This is the video that shows you how to make a decent amount of money using a paid service. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you have any question. I will try to explain everything step by step in the next videos. Thanks for watching.